Peter. Yeah, okay. My name Joel Richard. Maybe you can call me Joel. Okay. What what so interesting in Aceh?
Aceh,
Uh,
I like the people. I like the surfing. The people are so friendly, so welcoming. When I come here, I feel so at home. So I always come back because it's such a nice place.
that's all.
And well, there's all the culture, history. So there's some of the history, but I guess it's things you do as a tourist and like that. I just like to sit and talk to my friends. My friends are also very simple like yeah.
Okay. So do you have question? How about people around here, Loknga?
You like that?
Maybe Sapa ya? You communication with people there here?
Well,
Uh,
I should say I should speak better Indonesian.
yes.
I used to speak better, but I haven't studied enough. I need to belajar lagi.
Yes.
But so I speak a little bit of Indonesian. Not certainly not for the interview. But I find I can talk. I speak some English. They speak some English. And I've been coming here 37 years. So we were the first Malaysia surf here. And so I have friends here, so I've known for such a long time. So first time here today with Dalian, Lokna, now I slept with his son.
Okay.
I have many friends here.
Many friendship. Okay. So good relationship. Okay.
And my message to Beta plastic on the ground must not go to the ocean. We need to stop it.
Okay.
And that you are the man to do it.
Oh my god. Okay. You belanja maksudnya you buy something in Indonesia so expensive atau so cheap, you know?
Yes, many things are cheap.
Cheap, yeah?
And if I had time and money, it would be fun to have a little business with someone here. You know, maybe one of my friends here, a little coffee shop. But in Australia, I have family and a business there. I have a little farm, so not much time. I can only have a short holiday there. Yeah. But maybe one day come back and do something here. Yeah.
Okay. I'm waiting for you in here.
Yeah.
I hope we meet again in here. Okay,
Okay.
Peter.
Alright, good interview.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you too.